What's up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 best smartphones which are launched in 2023. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to start off with the Tecno Phantom X2. Now this smartphone has a 6.8-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display which has a refresh rate of 120Hz. Now let's just talk about its cameras. Now in terms of cameras, you are not going to be disappointed. It has a 64 megapixel camera which has OIS. Now OIS stands for Optical Image Stabilization. Now OIS is a very important feature to record videos and take photos in low light. Has a great processor as well. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 5G processor. Now they claim it is the world's first 4nm processor. Now what does that mean? That means that the battery backup is gonna be insane. So let's just wait for it and find out is it actually worth it. And the second smartphone on our list is the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G Plus. I know that's a quite big name, but let's just talk about its specifications. Now, honestly speaking, I'm quite impressed. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus has a super awesome, massive 200 megapixel sensor. In terms of the performance, it has a Dimensity 1080 processor. Now, that processor, according to me, isn't the best in the price, but still, for 30,000 rupees, you are getting 200 megapixel camera, which I think is a very good deal. So let's just talk about its charging. Charges with a whopping 120 watt. Now 120 watt is pretty fast for a smartphone. I think within like 20 minutes your smartphone will be from 0 to 100%. That is insanely awesome. And yes, don't forget it also has a 120Hz Super AMOLED OLED display, which is gonna be absolutely awesome for watching movies and playing games. Now moving on to the third smartphone in our list, and that is the iQOO 11 5G. Now, iQOO has always been known for collaborating with brands like BMW, and they make super awesome smartphones with great processor. Now, according to me, iQOO is always known for making great smartphones with super awesome processor, and nothing has changed. World's fastest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is my favorite processor of the year, and I think it's gonna be faster than lots of smartphones in the price range. And personally speaking, I yet don't know the price of the smartphone, but I think it's going to be around 50 to 60,000 Indian rupees. That's what I think, but let's just wait for it to see. Now, let's just talk about the display of the iQOO 11 5G. Now, the iQOO is having a very awesome display which has the refresh rate of 144 Hz. Now, you might say like 120 Hz and 144 Hz, there isn't that much of a difference. But the reality is there is a big difference between 120 Hz and 144 Hz, which you will notice only personally while using both the smartphones side by side. If you have a 120 Hz smartphone, there isn't going to be any difference. But if you hold the iQOO 11 5G towards the side of a 120 Hz smartphone, you're going to see one thing, that the iQOO 11 5G is going to be a lot more smoother, a lot more faster. And due to that 8 Gen 2 and 144 Hz display, I think it's a complete package, a perfect smartphone which everyone should. As we already talked about the processor, I know the 8 Gen 2 is gonna be very big battery heavy. So what about its charging? And don't worry, it also has 120 watts super fast, ultra fast charging, which is gonna charge your smartphone from 0 to 100 within like 20 minutes. And that is super awesome. So you don't need to worry about the battery. You don't need to worry about the performance. So that was my quick, overview and the video in which I'm going to tell you the top smartphones of the month. Now this type of video is going to come regularly. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.